Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're tackling how to integrate ZOHO Project with other ZOHO apps, your full 2025 guide. Let's jump right in. The first step is to log into your ZOHO account. Make sure you're using an account with admin privileges. This is crucial because only admins have the access required to integrate apps. Now that we're logged in, navigate to the application panel and select ZOHO Projects. The reason we do this is because ZOHO Projects is the app we're connecting with others, so we need to start there. Next up, we'll click on the Integrations option, located in the Settings menu. This is the hub where all the magic happens, where ZOHO Projects can be linked with other ZOHO apps to enhance functionality and streamline your tasks. Moving on, you'll see a list of ZOHO apps available for integration. Choose the app you want to connect with ZOHO Projects. The choices range from ZOHO CRM to ZOHO Invoice, so select the one that best fits your needs. Integrating these apps helps create a seamless workflow platform, reducing time and effort spent on manual data transfer. Once you've selected the app, click on Enable Now. You'll then be prompted to authorize the integration. This helps us because it ensures secure data sharing between the apps. Let me explain why this matters. By integrating ZOHO apps, you're creating a unified system that streamlines your work process, increases productivity, and allows for more efficient project management. With that done, you have now successfully integrated your chosen ZOHO app with ZOHO Projects. It's as simple as that. To wrap things up, remember, integrating ZOHO Project with other ZOHO apps helps create a more efficient and effective workflow. It's a simple yet powerful way to enhance your productivity. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.